As our country is already battling the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic, another epidemic has hit several states already. Well, we are talking about the infamous black fungus aka mucormycosis, which has hit around 18 states already. In recent times, when the numbers of COVID cases are below the record levels, Indian doctors are battling with the new fungus. As per the recent reports, the country has already recorded 5,424 cases of mucormycosis or black fungus. It is life-threatening infection which is mostly observed in COVID-19 patients or in those who have recently recovered. Basically, this black fungus is infecting frail people with comorbidities mostly. All these have reported from a total of 18 states and union territories of our country as revealed by the Union Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan. The Health Minister on Monday has also revealed that among those recorded cases, 4,556 people have history of COVID-19. It is also reported by Union Health Minister that among those 5,424 people, 50% has diabetes. Doctors are suspecting that a sudden rise of mucormycosis among people is caused by the extensive use of steroids to treat COVID patients. Maharashtra is one of the states which have recorded the highest numbers of black fungus cases, which are more than 1,500. Already around 100 people have lost their lives in Maharashtra due to black fungus. Another Indian state, Gujarat, has recorded 1,163 cases of mucormycosis with around 61 lives lost due to it. Madhya Pradesh has also detected more than 570 cases so far and 31 demises have been recorded in the state. Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Telangana are those states which have recorded black fungus cases.